Bro! GT4, he's actually... Bro! Of course I don't have my car, bro. Dude, he's literally like hauling too. You could go all the way right if you want. Oh, he's about to go hunt that 5.0 down. That thing looks so sick.
Dude, that is clean.
That thing sounds so good, bro. Oh my god. Finally, like a GT4 is like actually Porsche driven. It's like gonna be us, bro. Oh, he's about to take that and keep moving, bro. Oh, he's about to hit this tunnel.
Dude.
Oh my gosh, that thing sounds so good, bro.
Wait, hold on.
Yeah, pull up this, dude. That thing sounds so good. That thing sounds so good. It's insane.
Oh, you guys are over here.
Dude, it sounds so good. That, bro. Oh, he's literally took me out of Deerfield too, bro.